Hey guys, Sandp Productions here. In today's video, as you guys can see, I'm filming my Lego studio. Anyway, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a custom Lego bounty hunter. First, you guys can take a quick look at this so you guys know what exactly I'm getting into. All the parts are made of Lego except for the leg cape. I'll show you guys how to do that. I actually made a video on it, how to make custom Lego capes. You guys can go check that out. So anyways, let's get started. First we'll get started with the gun. Oh my god. I'm gonna return his hand soon. Excuse me. Yes. So first we'll get started with this gun. This gun is made of all Lego pieces. So if you guys see, first I've used this Technic piece. Then I've used a long gun. And then I've used one of these things. If you have black, guys, I think it'd suit better. I've kind of used up all my blacks in other gun customs. So yeah, so first you're gonna take your gun. You're gonna place this there. Make sure the clipping sound comes. You're gonna take the bigger side of this, push it in, keep this on the side. There you have it. So that's the gun. Now coming to the figure. So if you guys see, the figure is, what I've done is, first I've taken this helmet piece. I got this helmet from the Lego City pizza truck, and I got this from the Rebel Trooper pack. Battle pack. It's pretty cool. You get many of these, and so did I get the torso actually from the Lego Battle pack, and so did the pants. I'll come back to that later. So all you're gonna do is just gonna clip this on. Simple. Yeah. Now coming up to the face. The face I got from the Imperial Battle Pack from 2015. I'm not sure if you get them more often, but I'm pretty sure you get them in few sets. I got this mouthpiece from Series 17, the Lego Mystery guy. It's pretty cool, comes a lot into handy for Lego custom sets and custom bounty hunters. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the lower top, the lower bit, the smaller bit on the top, keep the figure, and just push it in. There you have it. Then coming to this figure, first I'm gonna show you guys what I've used behind. So first, you will be needing this. This is one of the key ingredients to the set. Then you will be needing one clip, preferably black. You'll be needing two of these, one Lego stick. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna take this, you're gonna push it in, same way you're gonna push it in here, and you're gonna take this, plug it in, keep it preferably in the middle, then you're gonna take this here, you're gonna push it in, tilt it a bit, then you can apply it onto the figure. I'll show you guys later. Then I've taken a regular black cape from the Lego itself. The torso comes from the Rebels Battle Pack 2015 Force Awakens Wave. I made these two purple kind of leg capes. Goes very well on a purple trooper. Purple just kind of always kind of shines out, and a few bounty hunters have a kind of weird look onto them. So I decided, hey, why not add these onto the battle pack? So they look pretty cool. Leg piece from the 2015 Lego Rebel Trooper Battle Pack Force Awakens Wave. I'll show you guys how to build this. First, you're gonna take the minifigure pants. Yeah. Just gonna change the lighting a bit, if you guys don't mind. Yeah. This one's the best one, I think. You're gonna take this one, yeah. Push it down very neatly. Then you're gonna take the same thing here. Push it down very neatly. If you guys having trouble pushing it down, you can just use some thin equipment. Make sure it's down. Then I'm gonna take the torso, put it on the top. Oh my god. Yeah, put it on the top out there. Then you're gonna be taking the cape first. Then you're gonna be taking, oh my god, sorry guys, this is not what I expected. Then I'm gonna take this, just gonna turn this around so you guys can see. I'm gonna place it over here. Just gonna push it down gently so it's kind of stuck on. You guys can see from the side, this is a slight vacuum, that means you got a lot of space. Just push it down until there's no vacuum. Yeah. Now for the main part, the face will come on top. So with the helmet, I chose this helmet because this is the one that only fits and it doesn't touch the, the mouthpiece. And I chose this, little eyewear, so it looks pretty cool and it kind of matches with the black mouthpiece right there. And now for the finale, we're gonna take the gun and attach it onto the figure. So you're gonna have to do this gently and patiently. Gonna make the figure hold it. Push it down. Yeah. That's the figure, guys, the Mandalorian, sorry, my bad, the Bounty Hunter figure. I really like it because it suits the Bounty Hunter's equipment and kind of the look. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Peace. Bye.